I've had, and it still works. But this guy right here, this is the $12.99 setup, which I still stay amazed. And this is the one that I was just referencing to. So you got two microphones in this setup. Is looking for a receiver. So let me go ahead over here, and I'm just gonna connect this to my iPhone. And it should sync. So that's how simple it is to get good audio on your phone. And if you're using this, then you'll be able to record on it. So any USB-C port that this has, this microphone will then be able to connect to it. And that's what I said, like, it's very impressive for $12.99. The compartment itself, right, is a battery. So it holds charge within it, and as soon as you put the microphones back in, it starts charging automatically. $12 is like, we don't have excuses anymore for saying like, hey, we can't get good audio. And to even tell you the last one, this one, I would recommend this one because of the entire kit, but this one was at $7.99. Okay, two microphones and a USB-C receiver, $7.99. And this will be the least one that I would recommend, but I would still recommend it because I tried these microphones and they don't sound bad. The same way, USB-C, so I can connect it to a computer or to one of the newer iPhones, but $7.99 and have two microphones going into one receiver. So you could even shoot a podcast, so to speak, with these two microphones. Give one to one person, to the other, and they're like thin and simple to hold. If you like this clip, then be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you're notified of my latest uploads and my weekly live stream. I've been going live every single Saturday for over 5 years, so I would love to hang out with you. Can't wait to see you there.